Hey guys, this is an update video on the Lakewood 3rd Gen box fan. We'll start off on low. It's a pretty good fan. Like this box fan's a lot better than a lot of the newer box fans, like the 3733 and whatever other modern box fans there are. I would like to find a metal bladed one someday. That'd be cool. And then do a comparison and versus, or an older 2nd gen maybe. Here's medium. Like, I just love older style fans. They last longer, and the performance on them they're amazing. But that's with everything. Like, everything older it just has better quality. That's a decent amount of airflow. And here's spin down. The blades might be slightly out of balance, but I took her apart and fixed it, and it runs good. And that's a wrap. I hope everyone has a nice night. There's the oh, hang on. We'll do a startup sound. Never mind the mess on the floor. And I need to repaint the motor. We'll do another spin down. It's still a work in progress. I'm not 100% finished, but it's now usable. I'm happy that I could actually use it. But I'm going to repaint the cabinet and repaint the motor, restore that, and it'll look brand new. I hope everyone has a nice evening. Peace. Peace.